Good day, everyone. Today I'll be giving you a tour of this 2002 Isuzu Trooper, which is for sale, by the way. The Trooper is a mid-sized SUV, sold by Isuzu between 1981 until 2005. It had 3 generations, with the third being a significant refresh of the second. This vehicle right here is the third and last iteration of the Trooper, which was sold between 1998 until 2002. Here in the Philippines, though, it was sold until 2005, with the latter models being called the Skyroof Edition. It was succeeded by the Altera after 2005. The Trooper was offered with either a 3-liter turbo diesel engine, which produced 156 horsepower, or a 3.5-liter dual overhead cam V6, which produced 215 horsepower. Transmission options were either a 5-speed manual or a 4-speed automatic. It has a fully independent suspension at the front and a solid rear axle at the back. Okay, this is the car's interior. The car has a beige interior. Leather seats. No tears, but some minor cracking. Okay, let's start her up. Okay, so this is a diesel engine. It's a 3-liter diesel engine. Being a diesel, it's quite fuel efficient. It has plenty of torque, but you need to warm it up first before it starts producing power. When it's cold, it lacks power. Not sure if that's an issue or if that's normal. The materials used on the Trooper are a little bit better compared to its competitors. The vehicle has wood panels on its sidings as well as the dashboard. The sidings are soft padded. This is some sort of rubbery material, as well as the dashboard. The vehicle has leather seats. Some seats have no tears, but you see some signs of cracking on the edges. All power amenities. We have power windows, of course, and power side mirrors. We can retract the side mirrors, also adjust the tilt. This is for adjusting the tilt, and this is for retracting the side mirrors. And the vehicle also has headlight wipers, a 4-speed automatic transmission with a winter and power mode. We have a display up here. Not sure if you can see that, but it's a compass as well as an outside temperature gauge and a barometer. LED lights. The interior is in pretty good condition. It could use a bit of detailing, but once it gets detailed, it should look a lot better. Also, one thing to note is that both the front passenger as well as the driver have controls for the locks. Cup holders. Yeah, the vehicle has 1 cup holder over here, 2 cup holders over here, and 2 more cup holders at the second row seat. The vehicle has plenty of handlebars, so if you want to go off-roading, the passengers will always have something to hold on to. Okay, so here I am sitting on the second row seat now. I do have plenty of legroom here, as well as plenty of headroom. The second row passengers have their own aircon vents with aircon controls. The vents are only on this side though. There are no vents on the other side. But the fan is strong enough that it can reach the passenger sitting at the farthest end of the seat. You have some storage space here, as well as here. Ashtray. You have a center armrest here with cup holders, but I can't access it right now because of this seat cover. The third row seats are usable if you're under 5'3", but if you're over 5'8", you'll probably fit, but it won't be very comfortable. So the vehicle can accommodate about 7 passengers comfortably, or more if you're willing to sacrifice comfort. Probably accommodate 9 people here. Okay, so let me take you on a test drive. I think the problem. No. Yeah, so at this price range in the used market, your options are, throughout the diesel SUV, your options are either this, the Everest, and that's it. You can also go for the Pajero, but that's an older platform. Compared to the Everest, this car's interior is a lot nicer. It is wider, it's taller, but it's not as long as the Everest. So you have more room for the first and second row passengers, but not as much room for the third row passengers. The Trooper is a lot more powerful compared to the Everest. The first gen Everest feels underpowered.